Everything's desensitized. Everybody lives a lie. Everything that should have happened didn't, but it could have, and I failed to see the funny side. Everyone's a follower. There's no use in being popular. Everywhere I go, somebody always seems to know me, and we say hello with eyes and not with words. Everybody's uncomfortable, twitching on our pedestals, drinking more and more so we can say something important, but we're screaming out for more. Yes, we're screaming out for more. But oh, how times change, oh, how times change. Got a perfect picture in my mind of the old days, when we were young and running free and unbelievably naive, imprisoned in a vision of the then and not the now. Everywhere's immaculate, but we only see the back of it. Leaning out the window, trying to find some kind of signal. We're all stuck in the habit. And every day's a different scene. I need money for my nicotine. I'm pawning all my guitars so I can get high. Life's on top of me, and every time we speak our minds, it gets drowned out by time. And we're riding on the wave just to have something to say. Lord, show me a sign. Lord, show me a sign. But oh, how times change, oh, how times change. Got a perfect picture in my mind of a new day, when we're all capable to see the unbelievably naive, imprisoned in a vision of the then and not the now.